The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day after the market close. Tom takes your phone calls from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time using the data available at that time.
Let's go to Lloyd in Texas. Hey, Lloyd, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, good to talk to you. I'm a new subscriber, and I've just recently started watching your TFNN broadcast. It's fun. I'm enjoying this.
That's a beautiful thing, man. I like that Texas accent of yours. Totally.
Yeah, you can't buy this in Boston.
No, you can't. There's no doubt.
Thank you so much, Tom. I really enjoy your show.
I appreciate you growling and prowling out here with us, Lloyd. Thanks so much, man.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We're out 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great weekend, safe weekend. Let's make it a great week, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Surrender and let go of the past. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means that you can enjoy the dream that is happening right here, right now. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 70, NASDAQ off 13, S&P's off 7. Gold contract down $4.40, trading at $1,366 an ounce. Silver down 17 cents at $23.14 an ounce. Platinum down 17 at $1,508 an ounce. Copper down 3.5 pennies at $3.33 a pound. Light sweet crude off 46 cents at $1.07 a barrel. Bonds down 19 ticks at $1.3014. King dollar off 8 ticks at 81.28. The euro up 9 at 1.33, and the yen is trading at 97.56. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's see what we have out here. You got a cash S&P right now at 1646. You're making your way down to the last swing point down here from the 24th of June, which is 1588. That's the top of that level. 1560 is the bottom of that level. You're inside the range being the May 22nd level, folks. That was the benchmark. We had broken out of that. When you go back, let's say we broke out of it 2 different times. First time you broke out of it, July 17th, hang up there for a couple of days, come back inside it. Then you had a larger break on August 1st. Bottom line, came back inside it. That's going to send you right down to the other side. And we'll see what has happened worldwide is that the market can't hold price. That's what's going on right now. Volume today was only 600 million versus 800 on Friday. Friday had some juice going down to it. There's nothing to hold this thing up, down into those levels of the 1588 at this particular point. Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow. Dow is the first one to get inside that range. The Dow is pretty close to that number right now. So the Dow, the high of the Dow, folks, yeah, this is pretty intense, actually. So check this out. The 24th, the high of the 24th was $200 down. Right now we're at 15,010. I suspect that's going to run into that tomorrow morning. You know, so we'll see. Number one, does it have expansion of volume? Because what we do have, no doubt, is that you get Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to get an expansion of volume as we come into the end of, the middle of August, end of August, beginning of September. NASDAQ Composite. What you have with the composite is this. Composite looks like it just did beautiful A to B equals C to D. Composite right now down $13 when the composite was, bottom line had some juice underneath it today. The composite was up at 36.23. Ended up basically giving up about 40 points coming into the last couple hours. Now, the benchmark on the composite, folks, is 35.32, which is another $50 down. So it's not inside the 22nd yet. We get inside the 22nd, that'll say, bottom line, you're coming all the way down to this 32.94 level. Bonds. We go take a look at the bond market out here. What we have with bonds is this. Bond market is trading out at 120. Well, 1 second. That's not the contract I need. Okay, USU 3. 30-year bond right now. 258,000 contracts. We are at 130.15. Contraction, big time, meaning contraction on volume. Price-wise, it's out of the range. You know, so I suspect. So watch this. Last time we had we had a consolidation at the bottom. That consolidation started going back June 24th. The below of that was 133.04. We go sideways for almost 2 months. First time we come down with 427,000 contracts. Then we come down with 440. We come down with 383. It breaks it on Thursday with 405. And right now you are doing 258. You know, so first of all, we'd have to get back inside the range, meaning get back inside 132.26, which is a couple points. You know, if we go look at the TLT, the 20-year plus, and the reason we're bringing this up is that we can bring this back further to see what it's coming into. So the TLT, this is what we've been doing this for quite a while too, folks. It's the August of 2011 breakout, and I can tell you this. You know, what you do need, this is telling me that this is still a retracement in a market that still wants to go higher. Why? The correlation inside the TLT is about as intense as you get. On a weekly basis, it's 47 million going against 177 million. So we'll see where the rest of this is going to shake out. But needless to say, when you're contracting with that much volume, you can get a pop. Dollar index. We take a look at the dollar index, what we have with the dollar out here. Dollar right now is trading out at 81.28. Now, that's going to have to build up some cause. You had an acceleration up at the beginning of last week. Last Thursday, came down hard. Now, it didn't break the swing point when it came down hard. You know, it was coming into the breakout area from the June 19th area. Did it with lighter volume, but you're certainly going to have to build some cause in order to get to higher price. Gold contract. What we did with gold out here, gold got to a higher high, had lighter volume. Gold did exactly what it should have done, folks. 1385 was the number we're looking for. It did 1384.10. So I suspect we're going to get a little pullback, build another B to a C of an ABC structure on the way up. Gold can get down somewhere at, I can get down to 1300 pretty easy. Let's go to Brian at Spokane. Hey, Brian, what's going on?
Hey, not much. How are you?
I'm doing great, man. You have a good weekend?
I had a wonderful weekend, Tom.
Cool, man. So
why did you hit the nail? You hit the nail on the head with that pullback on the gold. 1385. You've been saying for a month.
Thank you. So what are we going to look at?
Well, I've had these funds, these mutual funds, and I'm looking to get out of them.
Okay.
But I'm not sure if now's the best time. UNWPX.
Okay, so this first one is the U.S. Global Investors World Precious Metals Minerals Fund. Okay, open-ended fund. Let me see if I can see what's inside this first. Okay. So let's see what we have. Interesting. So the U.S. dollar. This is a gold fund, but yet they hold 4.8%. So check this out. This is really weird. So it's a gold fund, right? It's a metals fund, but their largest holding is the U.S. dollar. Anyway, okay. So Silver Wheaton is the second one. Anico Eagle, Virginia Mines, Mag Silver, Grand Columbia Corp, Dundee Precious Metals, and then 2 bonds. Interesting, man. Okay. So this is folks, which is pretty cool about this that you can really get to understand. So picture this. U.S. Global Investors World Precious Minerals Fund. The fund invests in equity and equity-related securities of companies principally engaged in the exploration for the mining of processing of minerals. Okay. But yet when we pull that up, you can see that the expansion of what they actually own is less than what they're actually claiming. Okay, so I guess, are you going to swap this out to other minerals, Brian? What are you going to do with this? You just want to get money out of it?
Every time I get to where I'm pretty much even, Tom,
yeah.
It drops 30%, and I'm like, what was I thinking?
Yeah.
I'm through with mutual funds. The only fund I would even consider is your real estate fund, and that's on the back of my mind. But
yeah.
But I don't want to sell these and jump out of these. If with gold trending up now, maybe now it's not the best time to get rid of that one. And then this other one.
Well, this is what you have. So when you go through it, see that this is where it's not deception, I guess, but when you read of what it's supposed to be, right? So you're buying this thinking you're going into precious metals, but yet the largest position is the U.S. dollar. So it's like, really? And then if I take that plus the 2 bonds, you get 2, 4. So that means 10%, 2, 4, 4.5, 9, 4.5. Yeah, 9.9% is not even in this thing. Here, you just wait there. Okay, I'll be able to pull up the other one too. We'll check it out. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back. The Dow Industrials closed down 70, Nasdaq off 13, S&P's off 9.5. We're going to be right back.